Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly manage your weight on a plant-based diet and never feel deprived again. If you've ever wondered how to shed those extra pounds while still enjoying delicious and nutritious foods, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Many people believe that you have to restrict yourself or eat bland food to lose weight, but that's simply not the case with a plant-based approach. A plant-based diet can revolutionize weight management. Not only can you achieve your weight goals, but you'll also be nourishing your body with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the biggest challenges people face when managing their weight is finding a sustainable and effective solution. This is where a plant-based diet shines. By focusing on whole, plant foods, you can naturally regulate your calorie intake and improve your metabolism. So, why exactly are plant-based diets so effective for weight management? It all comes down to nutrient density and fiber content. Plant foods are rich in essential nutrients while being lower in calories, making them the perfect choice for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Now, let's dive into the science-backed benefits that make a plant-based diet so effective for weight loss. Understanding these principles will empower you to make informed choices and achieve your health goals effectively. In conclusion, weight management on a plant-based diet offers a sustainable and holistic approach to achieving a healthy weight. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, stay hydrated, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Simple changes can truly transform your health and well-being. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more plant-based diet tips and weight management strategies, and don't forget to check the description below for more tips. Join our community of health enthusiasts as we support each other on our journey to a happier, healthier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.